Hi, I'm Justin from Great Escape RV, and today we're looking at the Salem Grand Villa 42 FLDL. This trailer has become one of the fastest selling park models, not only on our lot, but across Canada. At 42 feet and with 3 slides, this gives you a full home away from home for the entire family. Outside we're equipped, we have a full 18-foot awning, large sliding door, big windows for the front of the trailer that gives lots of light. Of course, a 10-gallon gas electric water heater, and just all the amenities of a home away from home. So as we enter the trailer, we can see we've got a nice large rear bedroom with a king bed and lots of storage, so that you can just leave your stuff and head home and come up to it on the weekend whenever you need, and without hauling everything every weekend. Just take a small step up, and we'll come back to the upstairs in a second, but we can see nice large open living room with recliner seats, tri-fold couch, 46-inch TV, double door refrigerator, central control power system, table and chairs, and just all the fit and finish of home. And this is really a home away from home style camping. And as I mentioned, the fit and finish, you can see the cross beams to add finish to the trailer, the lights, just the look, floor lights, huge pantry. We have a fireplace, convection microwave, and full house style washroom with a full size shower, sink, and a linen closet. Now let's head upstairs. We can see, so this model features 2 sections of sleeping. So to our right, we've got some extra overflow sleeping. And to the left, we got a couple of little monkeys playing with their toys. This model also features 2 air conditioners and lots of windows and a fully enclosed underbelly. Salem produces more park models than anyone else in the category, and you can really see why when they use 12-inch steel frames, everything's dual reinforced, extra dual reinforced headers above the slides, 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floors, full walk-on roofs, and just attention to the quality and detail needed in the build structure of this trailer.
Out west, east coast, campfire, wiener roast, sunsets, river fishing, falling stars, first kisses, mountaintops, northern lights, moose track, fireflies, Great Escape RV.
Let your escape plans start online at greatescapervcanada.com.